Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're gonna break down this song. We're in the key of C sharp. Alright, so let's get straight into it. The first thing I did was we're starting on the 4, right? And the melody is and we have the harmony note. I like to do these slides. So we're sliding from the F sharp down to the F, and we're using our second finger to do the F sharp down to the F. Some people may finger it this way. Alright, so we have this key seems to be going, but guys, I'm gonna work around it. Don't worry, I'm gonna get it fixed. That's one tip. When you have a keyboard, guys, it doesn't last forever without you maintaining it. So it's important to know that keyboard, just like a car, just like anything of value, a house, you have to constantly maintain it. So you have to find websites that have spare parts. You have to keep them saved so that you can have extra available. When that time comes up, you can fix them. But I have extra parts you can fix it with, so I'll get it fixed. But let's get back to the lesson. Alright, so when we hit this note, this is when you want to release your foot from the sustain pedal, right? Because you don't want to have that mess. So you release your foot from the sustain pedal when you hit this. Alright, so let's continue. So we go to the 2 on 2, which is E flat.